The Pretty Crazy Hummingbird Lady t-shirt is a vibrant celebration of whimsy, individuality, and the wild beauty of nature. Designed for those who wear their personality with pride, this shirt captures the essence of the crazy bird lady spirit. Joyful, bold, and unapologetically unique. At the heart of the design is a striking illustration of colorful hummingbirds fluttering around a dynamic female figure, representing the bond between nature and those who find joy in its smallest creatures. Whether you're a birdwatcher, a free spirit, or simply someone who loves to wear bold, expressive graphics, this t-shirt is for you. The playful design is both eye-catching and endearing, a perfect conversation starter and a fun way to showcase your love for these high-energy birds. With vivid colors and intricate detailing, the artwork stands out beautifully on the fabric, making it a standout piece in any casual wardrobe. Pretty Crazy Hummingbird Lady t-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Embrace whimsy with our Pretty Crazy Hummingbird Lady t-shirt, perfect for nature lovers. Stay cozy and stylish with our Pretty Crazy Hummingbird Lady sweatshirt, perfect for nature lovers. Embrace vibrant style with our Pretty Crazy Hummingbird Lady tank top, perfect for sunny days. Embrace your wild side with our Pretty Crazy Hummingbird Lady tee, perfect for nature lovers. Embrace your wild side with our Pretty Crazy Hummingbird hoodie, perfect for nature lovers. Flaunt your style with our Pretty Crazy Hummingbird Lady t-shirt, a must-have for nature lovers. This Pretty Crazy Hummingbird Lady t-shirt is more than just a fun graphic. It's made with premium in mind. We are proud to say our Pretty Crazy Hummingbird Lady t-shirt is crafted from 100% cotton, offering a breathable, soft, and comfortable feel all day long. The natural fibers make it ideal for both warm and cool weather, adapting to your needs with ease. You can choose from a variety of fits, whether you're going for a classic unisex style or a flattering women's cut. Beyond the fabric itself, we also focus on responsible production. This product is manufactured in the United States, ensuring high standards in craftsmanship, ethical labor practices, and environmental mindfulness. The shirt holds up beautifully after repeated washes, retaining both its shape and the brilliance of the printed design. Whether you're buying it for yourself or as a gift for the bird lover in your life, this t-shirt delivers both character and quality. Embrace your wild side with this playful tribute to hummingbirds and the spirited women who adore them. Other product,